Let's be real, if you clicked on this video, you probably feel stuck. Maybe your life isn't going the way you want. Maybe you've tried to change, but nothing works. You're not alone. Most people stay trapped in the same cycle for years, even decades. But today, that ends. This isn't another generic motivational video. I'm giving you a real step-by-step strategy to fix your life. No fluff, just results. Step 1. Accept harsh reality. You are responsible for everything in your life. Yes, life is unfair. Yes, bad things happen. But blaming the world won't change your situation. Think about this. If your life sucks, who has the power to change it? Only you. The moment you accept responsibility, you take back control. Because if you caused the problem, then you can fix it. Step 2. Cut the toxic loops. Ever feel like you're living the same day over and over? That's because of habits. Bad habits create bad lives. Period. Scrolling social media for hours, wasting time, sleeping late and waking up tired, wasting energy, hanging out with negative people, wasting potential. If you don't break these cycles, they will break you. Here's what you do. Write down the 3 worst habits that are ruining your life. Then, next to each one, write a simple action to stop it. Example. Problem. I waste time on my phone. Solution. I'll set a 30-minute limit per day. Small changes lead to big transformations. Step 3. Fix your mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you always say, I can't, your brain will believe it. Instead, reprogram your mind. Whenever you have a negative thought, replace it with a challenge. Old thought, I'm not smart enough. New thought, how can I learn this skill faster? Your brain is a muscle. Train it to think in solutions, not excuses. Step 4. Build small wins. Success isn't about one big moment. It's about small, daily victories. Make your bed, drink a glass of water, read 5 pages of a book. Each win builds momentum, and momentum creates real change. Start with one good habit today, then stack more over time. Step 5. Take relentless action. Stop waiting, stop overthinking, stop making excuses. Your life won't change if you don't move. Pick one area of your life, health, money, skills, and take one action today, not tomorrow. Today. Even if it's small, just start. Action destroys doubt. Final warning, most people will do nothing. They'll watch this video, feel motivated for 5 minutes, then go back to their old habits. Don't be most people. If you're serious about changing your life, drop a fire in the comments and commit to action. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you. Now go and pause your life.